Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create an avatar video in Veed. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed IO website. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From there you can see Create Avatar Video option. Click on it. Then it will redirect you to another page. It might take a while to load the page up. Once the page has been loaded up, from the left side of your screen, you can choose any avatar that you like. It will take a while to load the avatar in your video. This is how you can create an avatar video in Veed IO. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.